With an Office 365 Home subscription, you can install Office on up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. If you've used up all your installs and want to add another, you'll need to deactivate one of the existing installs. Here you can see all 5 of my PC and Mac installs are being used. My son wants to install Office on his new laptop, so I'll need to deactivate one of these installs first. My wife has volunteered to give up one of her installs, so on the install page, I find the computer and choose Deactivate Install. A reminder appears to let me know that deactivating Office doesn't uninstall it. It just puts it into read-only mode. All the documents are still there, and my wife can view or print them. She just can't edit them or create new ones on that computer. She can still use the full functionality of Office programs on her other computer. Back on my account page, I choose Share Office 365, and now when I invite my son to share my subscription, he'll have an Office install available to use.